Do you know the difference between self-work, self-care, and distraction? Self-care is the feeling of a warm hug from somebody who loves you unconditionally. It's nourishing and it fills your cup. It replenishes your mental, emotional, and physical energy reserves. Self-work, that's the process of learning and growing. It's when you take time to delve in deep and learn more about yourself and the way you interact with the world. It's really important, but it drains your physical, mental, and emotional energy reserves. And distraction, that's the stuff that we do when we don't want to pay attention to the world around us. It's energy neutral, neither draining nor replenishing your energy reserves, but it's also not giving you anything either. It's just distracting you from the world around you. So the next time you think you're doing self-care, double check. Is it actually self-work or distraction? Make sure that when you're replenishing yourself, you're actually refilling your reserves.